There are rules to the scholarly conversation and reasons why we follow them. When we enter the scholarly conversation, we build on the work of others. We need to identify where we did this, almost without exception. There are 2 rules. 1, attribute the work of others, and 2, cite the work of others. These rules help make it clear who said, thought, or made something. Identifying that we're using something created by another person is called attribution. Attribution means giving credit to the original author or creator's words, ideas, or work. The other part of the conversation is providing the where and the when. Citation means showing where you got another's words, ideas, or work. Citation tracks where ideas or things come from. Citations help others see for themselves if we interpreted things correctly. There are rules for how citations should look, but for now, remember: attribution, who said it; citation, where they said it. Let's look at some examples of where we see attribution and citation, not just at the university. You see this in your everyday life with advertisers on apps like Instagram. We see it in Wikipedia. We see it in news articles. We see it in scholarly articles that we need to read for class. Learning to recognize attribution and citation is one of the first steps of being a good scholar. Once you have learned how to recognize it, it is easier to learn how to credit the work of others in your own work at the university. Because taking credit for someone else's work is, you guessed it, an example of scholastic dishonesty. Anytime you're using the work of others, you need to attribute that work and provide a citation. Why? So others can find the work you used and continue the scholarly conversation.